wish to get the ladder. Mati Mokulo no one never to no grammar. I go to work every day to make sure I go ama. We do one name work and no don't put it la makana la la me go manya la
with my connect. Years ago, I never forget it.
Thank you, DJ. Will it. Yes, so I don't say anytime we don't fall in like this, now to come make una belly the sweet now every night. This now the show where we they call Bubbles Yard.
That's right.
The sun now all the church and things every night so we enter your TV screen by 11 p.m. Yes, come Sunju the church and things regularly on top Bubbles and babies them. Now I got my men inside bar. No need of too much introduction. My peace ambassador is in the bar.
Always here.
My hype man extraordinaire is in the bar. So today we are coming to give you sploofy things because the topic we are carry come today make I sunt you. Now, if you don't marry, now you can't jam your crush. The babe will be say before you marry, you feel die, you feel give am anything, you feel do anything for the babe, and you don't marry you can't jam the babe. You are the babe called the situation. You go feel do one night stand.
First and foremost, can you pass the calabash? It's too near Shakara. I don't understand. Let me use it.
Fire
Shakara,
down.
you can answer.
That is the question.
I've always
Use Rita Dominic as an example after
That
you
is
marry
the question.
and you now meet her.
Shakara to you now.
Just
you
imagine.
see, you
Or
are
Amber
married
Rose.
and you meet an Amber Rose. That is
you
your
have been
crush.
dying for.
Or a Rita Dominic that you have been dying for. Both of you are in a situation whereby cranky things can happen. Will you do a one night stand?
Well, just here to dissect and
Well, English plenty, they won't lie with that.
just
Shakara, we don't think here before we talk. What are you trying to think?
No, I'm not thinking. I'm telling you my.
Have you seen the way this drink poured now? Somebody will just think I'm wet or something.
You've always been wet.
You always wet.
I don't know.
Are you ever dry?
Don't zoom here, please.
So it depends on what people think. But for me, I think it's very possible for you to have a one night stand with
As a man.
with your crush.
As a man.
Do you accept, boy? Can your wife do that?
No, it's an abomination for an African woman.
What is this African bullshit? Why do African men think
No.
it's a man? You know that this is a man's world. It's only in Africa.
But wait, no, like
If you say it's a taboo for an African man, why for an African woman, why should you do it that is an African man?
no, we have a tradition by our forefathers
that you can marry more than
permit us to
marry
as much as we can.
So
And you cannot just wake up from your sleep and see a lady on the street and just pick her, hey, my second wife. There must be
some cranky first.
something going on between.
So what are you that cranky when you
the
crank
two of
your?
you?
You know.
Understand?
I understand what you are saying because and it's good. We are very real here. Nobody try like most men will naturally do it. And I will not tell you. I tell you one time when my baby tell me say why she don't want marry me. And I say if I come meet Genevieve or anything say I go crank her. I say if you see Jamaica or Ramsey Noah, you don't go do. And then she keep quiet. I say so it's not a lie. You understand? We will always fall. You understand when you reach that place, but it is dangerous to if you know that you have a crush and you see your crush. You understand? And the cranking is there. Make you fit do and you understand. You don't say they risky if you crank your crush, you fit one leave your wife. You know the crush.
I doubt you.
Crush na babe wey be say tomorrow you fit
we don't just leave our wives like that.
Na crush.
Your marriage is at the edge of breaking up if you crank your crush.
See, my brother.
I buy.
I'm telling you another
I've been in a relationship and cranked a crush, and I continue my relationship. Understand?
That means that one is that is not a crush.
It is not a crush. You know what?
And we understand.
Let me tell you
we know your relationship.
Let me tell you now.
You made a mistake. You should have said.
You don't know anything about my relationship, so don't even go there.
Okay. No, all I wanted to do was
should I tell you something?
Just say relationships.
Should I tell you why you can still move on with your wife when you meet your crush? Okay. Take an Amber Rose, for example, now. You meet her one night stand, you crank her. You then, same tomorrow, you crank today, say tomorrow, you there on the news, you online, you see Amber Rose as cool she be, with one rapper, one thing. Guy, man.
You go say you don't want to buy it.
You understand?
No,
you go look at it, and they come on.
Okay.
You know they worthy enough to break
your
home, because you don't know, say this person, this my crush. Now many people crush.
I get your point, but you
so that one will make you a
guy
of a one night stand, and you will be okay.
You are using celebrity crush as your own example.
Case study.
Yeah, case study. What if she's not that kind of person?
She's just a normal chick.
She is a crush that is looking for a husband.
Most time.
And now came to.
We will not lie to ourselves. Most time, crush.
No be all a celebrity.
No be say celebrity. It's somebody they a bit more famous than you are before you crush on that person.
No, now let me tell you what. Let me give you one
an important person.
For example, now let's bring it home. You understand? We have cleaners that work around us. Some big ass, some everything. We don't say we know they crush on them. We know they crush on them like say like this and crush because if you don't like the person.
No talk for other people.
I am talking
Ugo they here.
What's the meaning of that?
The example I give right is speaking for you.
I will put you for it. What's the meaning of that?
Lose all these boys. Give up for yeah, you know what I'm saying?
What's the meaning of that?
You know,
it's not a crush. It's just a girl that you like. A crush is
no. Don't bring that.
Why you is an example?
Don't bring that. Don't go ahead. It is called crash, not crashing.
It's crashing, no.
That one are crashing.
So when you say the person they did somehow one step.
No, let me change it for you, because I've said this thing before. We're not talking for here.
You know that crushes, you love them.
Yeah, I'm about to say
there's this natural love you have for that person.
I want to answer you.
Why is it crush? Do you have a dictionary in your phone or something?
Yes, but let me answer you first.
Can we just go?
Okay, but let me answer you first before we go. Sorry. For instance, now you understand. At my birthday, my crush was there. One of the crushes I have. You understand?
One of. You have
that all girl, that clever.
That tall one.
Which one?
Yeah, John on snap now.
No, the one
because I see the way they.
No, that was my ex.
That tall one.
Yes, that was my ex now. Now my ex brother wait talk say I tell you go now. Wait talk say I know if foot
bills.
Okay.
And I take picture pass.
Now I take picture pass.
So which one come be your crush? The fat one?
No, one light skin one wey be first come early. Very light skin, only once. I don't want to talk about people go look my Instagram listen. Now, my point is this. You feel meet your crush, you understand? Now, that girl where you call say she's not a celebrity. She works somewhere, no one call you.
Yes.
She works somewhere.
Now they talk say no celebrity. But let me can bring her come down.
But do you know that?
Must be.
Do you know that? No, but she's my crush. This girl, this guy DJ Z's, they date now. Even when she been there uni. Before they come begin the date, I've always crushed on her. We don't know why. But I'm not saying
she was kind of, you know, say they easy make girl be a bigger person than you are when on the uni. You know why? If she's fine.
We're not in uni. I don't finish school. She called her when she called the entire uni for Cotonou here. But I don't hear about her, you understand? I saw her picture from a friend, you understand? I don't see her picture. The first time I see her picture, you understand? I like that. My point to you is that she's not a celebrity. But I like her. Now the mistake you ever make, which most of us always make, most as guys, we say, we they end up marrying. I've said it before. The people we always marry, no, they always be those our real girlfriends. No, they always the kind of girls we be like those girls with it. You want carry them go. When they go marry the
ratio of guys. 90% of guys, no, they marry. The kind of girl
where they want marry, where they
like to
yes, to crack. That's what I'm saying. So if you now go and meet and that's why most of them they keep their girlfriend for where they get while being married.
I don't know of other African countries, but normal Nigerian guy go prefer to marry a very reserved and if possible introvert. You understand?
Why?
But
why will all
but listen up, wait to most Nigerian guys. But we like to have fun with a crazy game.
Now, for instance, now,
you understand?
But let me tell you, first and foremost, you must
make you do a go sharp.
Can I just this line? You must look at yourself, you understand, first, to know who you are. If you be introvert, then if you go for an extrovert,
look at my introvert.
A T-Bills is a quiet guy.
Yeah,
marrying a twice savage. It's not
maybe that's a bad guy.
They come back.
No, you still please.
He was a bad guy.
Ah, you still, in fact. Okay, no matter.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.